now I will tell you how to balance the equation in simple way and how to put stoichiometric calculation. So for that I am taking this formula CH4. CH4 is nothing but methane and this is chloride, and this gives carbon tetrachloride and hydrochloric acid. So now this equation is not balanced. So in this case first we have to balance right side and left side. Right side should be equal to left side. So number of atoms presence in right side should be equal to number of atoms presence in left side. So carbon, first we have to calculate one by one. So I am going to see how many carbons present in right side and left side. Right side we are seeing that carbon is only one, and left side only one carbon. So no need to worry about carbon. Next we can go for hydrogen. Left side, how many hydrogens present? So left side we can see there are present, it is 4 hydrogen. Left side we can see there are 4 hydrogen, and right side only 1 hydrogen. So we have to balance this hydrogen, and next we have to see how many chlorine present. So left side 4 into 2 here. So 4 into 2 is nothing but 8. So total chlorine atoms are 8 atoms present in left side, and right side how many chlorine atoms? 4 chlorine atom here and only 1 chlorine atom here. So total there are 5 chlorine atom present. So we have to balance chlorine atoms, also hydrogen atoms. So no need to worry about carbon. So first we have to see how many hydrogen present. So there are 4 hydrogen present. So in left side, and right side only 1 hydrogen. So I am going to put 4 here. So now there is presence of 4 into 4, that is left side 4 hydrogen and right side 4 hydrogen. And next we have to see how many chlorine atoms. Here 4 into 2, left side it is 4 into 2 means 8 chlorine atoms. So now here 4 chlorine atoms present, and in carbon tetrachloride also 4 chlorine atoms present. Now the equation is balanced very well. Now I will tell you how to calculate stoichiometric equation in simple manner. So for that first we have to open the Google, and there is a website known as Thermobook. I am opening that website. So in this website you have to choose stoichiometry, and after choosing stoichiometry you have to choose reaction stoichiometry calculator. So here you can see already formula is there, H2 plus O2 is equal to H2O, but I am going to calculate the equation, this equation, that is CH4 plus 4Cl2 is equal to carbon tetrachloride and hydrochloric acid. I am going to choose this equation and I am going to type it here. You cannot paste this equation as it is, you have to type it. So I am going to type this equation CH4 plus 4Cl2, leave some space, equal to CCl4 plus 4HCl. See, now I gave the balanced equation. Suppose if you are not knowing how to balance the equation, it will show that you are typing the wrong equation. See, now I have given the balanced equation so that we can choose the calculation type, that is reaction amount given and product amount given. Suppose if you want to take the reaction amount means this one CH4 and Cl2, that is known as reaction amount. Product amount means product here is nothing but CCl4 and 4HCl, that is the product. So if you want to calculate how much methane, how much chlorine means, you have to choose reaction amount given. And if you want to calculate the product means product amount means you have to choose carbon tetrachloride or HCl. So now I am going to calculate, for example, now I am going to calculate product amount. So the equation is well balanced here, so that it is giving this option. So suppose if you are giving imbalanced equation means, see I eliminated 4 here. Now the equation is imbalanced here. Here I eliminated 4. So now the equation is imbalanced. But don't worry about imbalanced equation. You have to calculate reaction amount given, that is how much grams or how much mole you have to take methane or chlorine. Otherwise you have to calculate, suppose if you want to calculate how much product amount given, that is product amount given, that is you can calculate how much grams of carbon tetrachloride or how much grams of hydrochloric acid you can able to calculate by using this method. So now I am going to calculate how much carbon tetrachloride I have to take for 5 grams, means I am going to choose here gram. For example, 5 grams means type 5 here and click on calculate. So to calculate 5 grams of carbon tetrachloride or to obtain 5 grams of carbon tetrachloride, you have to take methane 0.5 gram and chlorine 9.2 grams. So like this you can able to calculate the equation. See here, now the equation is balanced automatically. Suppose if you want to calculate how much hydrochloric acid you have to take, means hydrochloric acid here, so if there is presence of hydrochloric acid, now we have to choose product amount. Here product amount, already you know that product amount are carbon tetrachloride and hydrochloric acid. So here you have to choose the product hydrochloric acid. So after choosing the product amount given, here there are two products, that is carbon tetrachloride and hydrochloric acid. Now we are going to calculate how much hydrochloric acid we have to take. So now I have chosen hydrochloric acid and I am going to choose grams. I am going to take 5. You can click calculate. See here, final product hydrochloric acid 5 grams it is given. So to calculate 5 grams or to obtain 5 grams of hydrochloric acid, we have to take 0.55 grams of methane and 9.723 grams of chlorine. So like this you can calculate stoichiometric equation. So suppose if you want to calculate reactants, means how much methane you are having, how much chlorine you are having. For example, you are having 5 grams of methane and 3 grams of chlorine, means how much product we can able to produce, we can calculate. So now I have chosen, for that I have chosen reactant amount and methane. Suppose I am having 5 grams, means I am going to type here 5 grams, and chlorine I am having 3 grams, means I am going to type here 3 grams. Now you can calculate how much for 5 grams of methane and for 3 grams of chlorine, how much product you can able to produce, you can calculate. So now you can click on calculate. See, reactants, methane is 5 grams and chlorine is 3 grams. Here unreacted amount of reactants also given, they gave the details, that is methane is equal to 4.83 grams and chlorine is 0. Means final product it will produce, that is 5 grams of methane and 3 grams of chlorine will produce final product as 1.62 gram of carbon tetrachloride and 1.54 gram of hydrochloric acid. So if you are having particular amount of reactant, means you can able to calculate how much product you can able to produce.